Flamboyant luxury cars to free water parks. Candidates for the Delhi University student body poll are leaving no stones unturned to woo the voters. Well, it's all out on the streets. Streets are full of pamphlets. There are luxury cars that have been hired. There are water park rides that are being given out for free. The Delhi High Court today issued a very stern warning to candidates contesting in the Delhi University Students' Union polls. The court said, and I quote, "People have so much money power in these elections. Elections are a festival of democracy and not a festival of laundering of money. This is laundering of money which is going on. These are some crores being spent here. The election system is not to corrupt the youth in a place of learning. People are behaving like illiterates. Only an illiterate can behave like this. Delhi University is doing nothing." The court expressed outrage over the rampant vandalism and defacement of the public property across the capital in the run-up to the polls scheduled for 27th September. And if you could have the visuals back on the screens, judges also ordered authorities to take immediate action to stop the defacement and suggested the elections should be deferred if the situation isn't rectified.
Before doing that, I'll give you a brief backdrop of the entire matter. Earlier, we had filed a petition in 2017 apprising the court about the massive defacement of both public and private properties across Delhi. The major concern was that there was not a single place in Delhi which remained free from defacement in the DUSU elections. The deplorable part was places like buses, bus stops, private properties, metro properties were spray painted, defaced, and this ugly display of brazenness was highlighted in 2017. So this time around, I was shocked to see the replica of what was happening in 2017. So the court was apprised with all the photographs and also was shown as to how the entire Delhi is defaced in the upcoming run for the DUSU elections, which is pending on 27th of September.
And I'm being joined by my colleague Nikhil Lakhwani at this point. Nikhil, very good evening. Which part of the Delhi University are you in? It's quite into the evening. But what's happening around you? It's just days before the big elections. There's a rap from the court, some very tough questions to the Delhi University. But there's a full-on display of might, power and money, as it were. Take us through this.
Well, Isneha, there is some sort of technical audio problem which is currently being faced. But coming back to the point, currently we are reporting from outside the Delhi University. And as you have rightly pointed out, there is this display of money and power which is currently being exercised at the Delhi University Student Union election. And this is happening after a very long time. And both the sides, be it the DU, in fact ABVP or the NSUI, they both are displaying the muscle power and the money power as well, and in the pictures as well, which is clearly evident that they have defaced all these public properties. And this was another issue as to why in the year 2017 a concern was raised by one of the advocates taking it to the matter that this is something which is usually a common practice as far as the DUSU elections are concerned. And you can see on the surface of the roads as well that clearly a lot of littering is something which can be seen. And this entire stretch, which is of 3 to 4 kilometers wide and long as well, this is completely covered with the banners and the posters as well, which is currently being seen on the road, on the surface of the road. So this is something which is currently being experienced here. We have spoken to some of the people who clearly says that there is a lot of regionalism, a lot of muscle power, a lot of money power, which is usually displayed during the course of the election. And also we are going to show you what the mood is right outside the Delhi University. The people are clearly collected over here, although they are not very much comfortable speaking on camera about the irregular practice which usually takes place during the course of the DUSU elections. But clearly the Delhi High Court at the same time, they have come down heavily on the Delhi University, asking them to take strict action against those candidates who are involved either in the vandalism or in the defacement of any of the public property. So much so that the MCD and the DMRC representative as well, they were present at the Delhi High Court during the course of the hearing, because they also have some kind of properties which at some point or the other have been defaced by all those candidates. In fact, what we are further learning, Sneha, is that 14 of the candidates have already been served with the notices, show cause notice from the side of Delhi University, asking them why should their candidature not be dismissed upon doing this kind of activity. But nonetheless, this is something which is usual, a practice from the side of the DUSU ABVP and from the side of the NSUI as well. We have seen in the pictures as to how there is brazen display of power, money as well. We have seen the high-end expensive vehicles like Bentley and Lamborghini as well. Now, what is the use of these kind of vehicles? And imagine the kind of messaging which is being given out from the side of panel of both these sides. So a lot of maneuvering is something which usually takes place in this particular election. The voters in the form of the student, they are also lured in some form or the other. And as you have rightly mentioned, free water park tickets were also provided to the women students, to the female students as well. So this is how the elections are usually conducted. And a suggestion was given out from the side of the Delhi High Court as well, that they also have the option to put a pause on the result until entire this facade gets cleared up. So this is the picture yet again which we are now showing you on the screen of mirror now, where all you can see is the littering on the surface of the road. But we will also attempt to speak to some of the people if they are comfortable to speak about this. आप स्टूडेंट हैं क्या दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के, या आप राजस्थान से हैं? अच्छा, एक बात बताइए, एक बात चलती है कि दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का जो पैनल आता है, आपने बताया राजस्थान से, तो ये कहा जाता है बाहरी व्यक्ति बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं, कि बाहर से सपोर्ट बहुत ज़्यादा मिलता है. ऐसा क्यों है, क्या कारण है इसमें?
देखिए, अब कोई चुनाव लड़ता है तो पेरेंट्स भी आते हैं, रिलेटिव भी आते हैं, कुछ मैनेजमेंट का काम होता है. तो वोटर्स तो कॉलेज के बच्चे देते हैं, लेकिन कई बार पेरेंट्स का ये काम होता है कि वो कई सारी चीज़ें को, मैनेजमेंट को देखने का काम करते हैं.
ठीक है, मैं आपसे बात करूँगा. आप डूसू के यहाँ के स्टूडेंट हैं, DU के,
CLC के स्टूडेंट.
अच्छा, आप यहीं के स्टूडेंट हैं. एक बात बताइए, बड़े ईमानदारी से बताइएगा, जो डिस्प्ले ऑफ मसल एंड पावर होता है यहाँ पे, है ना, उसको लेकर के नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट का व्यू क्या रहता है इलेक्शंस में?
देखिए, नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट जो है वो ज़्यादा खुश नहीं रहेंगे कि जो मसल पावर यहाँ की यूज़ होती है, जो दिल्ली देहात के लोग हो गए और आसपास हमारे हरियाणा लगता है, नोएडा लगता है, जो यहाँ से बाहरी लोग आते हैं कैंपस के अंदर, उसका माहौल बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं होता. नॉर्मल छात्र के लिए वो बिल्कुल भी कोई अच्छी बात नहीं है. पढ़ने में जब कैंपेनिंग करने आते हैं ये कैंडिडेट्स, तो क्लास में घुसते हैं तो बच्चों को उनका बहुत गलत इफेक्ट पड़ता है.
हाई कोर्ट ने आज खुद सुनवाई करते हुए कहा है कि इतना तो हमको भी समझ में आ रहा है कि करोड़ों रुपए एक कैंडिडेट फूक रहा है, तो इतना पैसे कहाँ से आ रहा है? कैंडिडेट खुद में ही पहले से इतने ज़्यादा सक्षम है, या पीछे से कहीं फाइनेंशियल फंडिंग मिलती है? क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन है?
कुछ कैंडिडेट घर परिवार से भी थोड़े मजबूत होते हैं. बाकी यहाँ पे जब बच्चा पढ़ता है तो उसका अपना एक ग्रुप भी बनता है, उसके अपने दोस्त भी बनते हैं. उनमें एक धारणा होती है कि उन्हें चुनाव लड़वाना है, तो बहुत सी बार ऐसा होता है कि ग्रुप का ग्रुप सपोर्ट करता है. ये 10 लोग हैं, 10 के 10 लोग मजबूती से, पैसे से, हर तरीके से अपने कैंडिडेट के साथ लगते हैं, उन्हें चुनाव लड़वाते हैं.
बेंटली जैसे गाड़ियाँ, लैम्बोर्गिनी जैसे गाड़ियाँ जब दिखती है, क्या मैसेज नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट में आपके साथ?
देखिए, ये चुनाव जो है ना, पिछले कुछ समय पे DU का चुनाव बनाया गया है कि इसे एक मतलब नाम पहुंचाने का चुनाव, कि इसे हवाबाजी, जो कि एक शय हवाबाजी वर्ड होता है, उसका चुनाव बना दिया गया है. अब साहब, आपको दूसरी तरफ देखना पड़ेगा. DU में 1 लाख बच्चा है, 1 लाख बच्चे तक आप 15 से 20 दिन में कैसे पहुंचेंगे? इस मेथडोलॉजी को और DU के चुनाव की मेथडोलॉजी को चेंज करने की जरूरत है. अगर वो चुनाव कॉलेज के जो प्रेसिडेंट और सेक्रेटरी चुनकर आ रहे हैं, क्या वो उन्हें चुनाव का DUSU का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव चुन सकते हैं? तो इस तरह की जो है.
एक और क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे लूंगा. कुछ लोग कहते हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट के चुनाव हो.
देखो, बहुत बड़ा चुनाव है. दिल्ली में 7 मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है, 70 के प्लस सीट है विधानसभा की, और कितना DUSU में हर कोने पर कॉलेज है. एक DUSU अध्यक्ष चुना जाना है, एक उपाध्यक्ष चुना जाना है, तो इतना बड़ा माहौल बनता है. मतलब इतनी बड़ी चीजें होती है. पर सब वही मैंने जो बात बताया कि इसमें थोड़ा चेंज लाने की जरूरत है, इस मेथोडोलॉजी को थोड़ा चेंज करने की जरूरत है. नहीं तो नॉर्मल बच्चा इस चुनावी माहौल में जितना पिसता है, जितना उसका साथ गलत होता है, वो थोड़ा चेंज लाने की जरूरत है.
ठीक है, हम दोबारा से आएंगे आपके पास कुछ ही देर में. So this is the word which is coming in from the side of the students who are in fact the normal students coming from different part of the capital city. We will try to attempt to speak to some of the female students as well. But meanwhile, this is the picture which is coming in right from outside the Delhi University, where yet again we are showing you the picture. All you can see, Sneha, is the littering all around. In fact, the defacement of the properties have also been done. We have visited some of the nearby bylanes as well, where clearly